Now let's move on. If we are setting out to prepare the accounting structure of a school per term, we do that in a term. The first thing we have to do is to set out to prepare the accounting policy for the school before we start operations. That's the first thing we have to do. So that is done under the policy console. That means we are setting the school's account policy before we start any operation on accounts for that school. So that's the first thing. So let's look at the way we can actually create bill items. Let's take, for instance, everything that falls under the fees. Like I said in the last video, will be created here. Things like tuition fee or school fees, like some people will call it. So I'm going to type it in here. Everything that falls under our fee. I can have school bus. School bus is also under that. I can have PTA. I can have ICT. All these ones are payable ones. So all the fee items will be added here. So let's take a look at all of the things I've added. So all the fee items that is payable by students and is payable once in a term is going to be added here. So all the fee items will be added here. Now the next thing we want to do, we are preparing a policy. We are setting the accounting policy structure. So over here we want to see the way we can actually add the bank that the school is using. There are times the school is using just only one bank. So I'm adding the school's bank. So the name of the bank, hyphen, then the account number. So you're going to add it. If the school is using another bank, maybe First Bank, you're going to add it this way. You're going to put the account number here and then add it. It's very compulsory because when we are dealing with auditing, we must know which money goes into what bank. Then other revenue like hall rentage will come in here. Now the one for the stock will not be added here. We'll be doing that from the other end. So everything items under other revenue will be added from this place. Then the banks will be added from this place, and then the fee items will be added from this place. There is another place where we add the stock. So that is that about that. That's the first thing we have to do when we are creating